Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the exciting world of fashion and how you can create a brand that not only looks good but also does good. Are you ready to discover how to turn your passion for style into a creative adventure? Let's get started. Imagine waking up each day and designing clothing that not only reflects your unique style but also makes a positive impact on the planet. Picture your creations being worn by people who love them and feel great, knowing they made a responsible choice. Sounds thrilling, right? Let's explore how to embark on this fantastic journey. First, we need to think about your vision. What kind of clothing do you want to create? Do you dream of designing chic, everyday wear, trendy, active wear, or glamorous evening outfits? It's crucial to define your style and what message you want to convey through your designs. Remember, your vision will be your guiding star on this creative path. Next, let's talk about sourcing materials. One of the most fascinating aspects of this journey is discovering unique, eco-friendly fabrics. Imagine searching for organic cotton, bamboo, or even innovative materials made from recycled items. Think of the thrill in finding a beautiful fabric that also supports a healthier planet. What will your favorite fabric be? Once you have your materials, it's time to unleash your creativity and bring your designs to life. Sketch out your ideas and think about how to make them distinctive. Consider creating versatile pieces that can be styled in multiple ways. Envision a dress that can be worn casually during the day and transformed into something glamorous for a night out. How cool would that be? Now let's delve into the production process. Finding manufacturers who prioritize ethical practices can be an adventure in itself. Imagine visiting a workshop where skilled artisans bring your designs to life, knowing they're working in safe conditions and earning fair wages. How amazing would it feel to see your vision come to life right before your eyes? As your collection is being crafted, let's shift our focus to marketing. How will you share your story and your unique creations with the world? Social media is an incredible tool for connecting with potential customers. Picture yourself posting behind the scenes glimpses of your design process or sharing tips on styling your pieces. Engaging with your audience will build excitement and anticipation for your launch. What about your packaging? This is where you can get creative too. Imagine using eco-friendly materials like biodegradable bags or beautiful recycled boxes to present your products. Think about adding personal touches, such as handwritten thank you notes. How special would it feel for customers to receive their orders and know they're part of something bigger? Once you're up and running, it's crucial to educate your customers. Share insights into why making responsible choices matters. You could write blog posts, create engaging videos, or even host fun workshops. Imagine inspiring your audience to embrace a more thoughtful approach to fashion and encouraging them to make informed decisions. After your launch, be sure to keep a close ear on customer feedback. What do they love most about your creations? Are there any areas for improvement? Listening to your customers can provide valuable insights that help shape your future designs. Happy customers will be your best advocates, sharing their love for your work with friends and family. Finally, always remember to stay true to your values throughout this journey. There may be challenges along the way, but staying committed to your mission will keep you inspired and motivated. Picture yourself collaborating with other passionate creators, participating in exciting events, and contributing to meaningful causes. The possibilities are endless, and that's it. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to embark on this incredible journey. From envisioning your unique style to connecting with customers who appreciate your artistry, it's all about creativity, dedication, and making a difference in the world. So, are you ready to take your love for fashion to new heights? Let's go create something extraordinary.